Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Vivo Y36 and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 90,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. In this price range we are having a IPS LCD display in 90Hz refresh rate and a Snapdragon 680 which is not the fastest SoC in this price range. On the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 6.5 inch Full HD Plus dot display. We have 5000 mAh battery size with a 44 watt fast charging. We also have extended RAM feature. On the back we have a 50 megapixel main camera and the color I have is a vibrant gold color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, which is a really good thing. But still the price of the Vivo Y36, it is really overpriced in my opinion. Now let's unbox the Vivo Y36. Let's remove the plastic first, and now let's open this box. So on the top we are getting our device Vivo Y36. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. As you can see here is a vibrant gold color looks like. As you can see on the back we have a glossy finish. Beneath the glossy finish we are getting this pattern which looks really nice in my opinion. On the back we have dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. The back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed. So here is our soft silicone case, our information guide as well as a quick start guide. Here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 44 watt fast charger cable which is a USB-C to USB-A cable. As you can see our SIM injection tool. So no hand-free inside the box which you find with the Vivo Y73 which has a AMOLED display and a much better SoC than the Vivo Y36. I don't know why this phone is even exists in this price range. Anyways, now let's put all these things to the side. On the bottom we have our speaker grill, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we are having nothing. On the top we have our SIM tray with a noise cancellation microphone. So guys, you can see inside the SIM tray, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. Rubber inside the SIM tray because this phone also has IP54 water and dust resistance. We have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button which also work as a fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a dual cameras. So now let's talk about the display. So this phone has a 6.5 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top. I wish that we have AMOLED display on this phone with a 120Hz refresh rate, because in this price range we mostly see phones that has a AMOLED display with 90Hz or a AMOLED display with 120Hz, and the bottom chain it is pretty average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y36. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, the colors looks really nice on this phone. I'm expecting to see a bad IPS LCD display, but Vivo is put a good quality IPS LCD display. Again, I wish that we have AMOLED display on this phone. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So for information, this phone is running on Android 13 with a Front Touch OS version 13. This phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 with 8 GB of RAM. We have 109 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works really fast, and the hand feel of the Vivo Y36, it feels really premium, and the back feels like a glass, which is a nice thing. Again, this phone has a 90Hz refresh rate. Now let's go 90Hz all the time. And now let's look at the camera. This phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main camera on the back. Then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. Normal, here is your 2x. Here is our portrait mode, night mode. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera. Back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps and 60 fps only available with a 720p resolution. We also have a stabilization mode which give you a better video stabilization. Now let's go to the mode section. In the mode section we have our pro mode, live photo, dual exposure. We also have slow motion. So now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. You can see, and the selfie camera also looks really decent, but not the best in this price range, because Vivo Y73 from Vivo has a better selfie camera than the Vivo Y36. So here is our portrait mode, night mode also available, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 44 watt fast charging. So this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. Over, I have to say regarding the Vivo Y36, if you are looking for a smartphone in this price range, the Vivo Y36 is not the best option from Vivo as well, because in this price range you will also get the Vivo Y73 in the Pakistan market that give you AMOLED display and a Helio G95, which much powerful than the Snapdragon 680. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y36. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.